So guys, we did it. We reached 250,000 subscribers, 250,000 subscribers, and still growing. The fact that we've reached this number in such a short amount of time is just phenomenal. I'm just amazed. Thank you all so much for supporting this channel and helping it grow. I love you guys. You guys are just awesome.
Hey yo, that's gay, man.
So as you can probably tell, this isn't really a montage parody. This is more like a kind of thank you / update kind of video. So for this video, I'm quickly just going to go over two things. Firstly, advertisements. And more importantly, the future of this channel and what kind of direction it's headed. Okay, so firstly with the advertisements.
Oh my god, you sellout!
Dude, shut up! Believe it or not, but montage parodies are actually a copyright minefield. New content is actually becoming claimed by companies every day. We could use something from, let's say, 5 years ago. And tomorrow, a huge company could come along and claim that product as theirs, and we have no control over that, meaning that any video we use that product in could either get copyright striked or lose monetization, meaning that all the money made off that video would get sent to the company and not us. The only real way to counter this is to get advertisements placed on my channel. I mean, it's a win-win for everyone, you know. I get a safety net generated for myself, company gets exposure, and you guys, my subscribers, sit through a 2-second advertisement that'll be as short and painless as possible. So, next I'm going to talk about the future of this channel.
MOM! Pyrocynical's selling out to make McDonald's Let's Plays!
This doesn't mean in any way that I'm actually quitting montage parodies, you know, they're basically why you subscribe to my channel and I enjoy making them. There's no reason to quit. Because I'm in full-time education, I have less time to make and upload videos. It used to be weekly uploads and now it's pretty much just once a month. But in my opinion, uploading once a month isn't enough. I'd like to upload more than that, I mean as much as possible, but montage parodies take a long time to make. That's collecting the resources, coming up with an original idea, you know, all this stuff takes time and planning, and that combined with me being in education means that they take a while to make. A good video that goes into detail about this is Rubber Ross's video on the future of independent animation on YouTube. It is a different themed video because I don't do independent animation, but you can still kind of relate because obviously as uploads become more infrequent,